Bootstrap responsive navbar. So many people, they don't know the responsive navbar. So let me explain what is this responsive. Responsive means I will go to the quality thought website, qualitythought.in. So whenever I go to the quality thought website, this is coming in courses, upcoming batches, workshops, okay, workshop, services, placements, resources, register. But when I do minimize, what is coming? Menu. Menu, if you click, you can find that one. Courses. Understood my point here? What you can find? Upcoming classes, workshop. Okay, like that. Services. Understood my point here? No? So same, this is known as what here? Responsive navbar. What bar? Responsive navbar. So nothing to worry, sir. It is there in the documentation, responsive navbar. So what we will do copy paste. And I will explain to you how to work with what a responsive navbar. But remember, to create a responsive navbar, we need to take nav tag, NAV. What we should take? Nav tag. So let me go to the Bootstrap. Get bootstrap.com. Go to the docs. In doc, you can type what here? Navbar. Navbar. Enter. So navbar is coming now. You can see here. Here you can see first we need to take what tag? Nav tag. Let me zoom. Those who don't know, for them I am telling. Then we need to take navbar. Navbar expand large. Background also, if you want, you can take. So first, immediately what we should do, remove everything. Remove everything. Here let me say what? Now is a tag. And here we am taking class. I am taking what here? Navbar. Navbar. Next is what here? Navbar. Expand hyphen large. Background light. Okay, navbar light. Here we need to give what here? Navbar light. Even we need to give what here? Background light. Expand large means total 100%. What? Navbar. I need which color? Light color. White color I want. Background also white. Then after that, if you see properly, here we need to take container fluid. Yes, go take another container. Div class. What is the container name? Container fluid. So might be you're thinking, why we are taking container fluid? Inside this container fluid only, we need to take brand and we need to take our options. So see here, the first thing we are taking what here? Navbar brand. What we have taken? Navbar. It is in which tag? Anchor tag. So anchor tag means don't get confused. Here anchor tag is nothing but your company name. What is the company name? I Have Talent. So I Have Talent is a Navbar brand and say a tag. And tell me, and there is a one button should come, na sir. Responsive navbar means there is a one button should come with how many lines? How many lines? 3 lines. Why are you telling 3 lines, sir? Okay, you see this. I will go to the quality thought website. This is my quality thought website. I will do minimize. When I do minimize, how many lines are coming here? 3 lines. That is my menu. So that is nothing but my button is there here, button. So how to bring the 3 lines button? For that reason, what I need to do? I need to go to the what here button. What is the name of the button name? Toggler. Navbar toggler button. Type is button. Data bootstrap toggle what here? Collapse. Data bootstrap target is there. Till now we have not used anything. So what I will do, I will use the same thing. And one more thing, Navbar toggler what here? Icon. So this Navbar toggler icon is nothing but 3 lines. 3 lines. And button is for what here? Button. So see this, what I will do, I will take one button first. I'm taking one button. And what should come inside the button? 3 lines now. So that's why I am taking what here? Span class. What I'm using? Navbar toggler icon. Self close. Otherwise, you can do what is span. And what is the name of this button here? Class. Name of this button is nothing but Navbar hyphen what here? Toggler. But here I am telling one attribute data bootstrap what here? Target. Sorry. Collapse. Toggle. Collapse. Data bootstrap what here? Target. I am giving Navbar ID. Navbar ID. So Navbar ID way to use I will explain later. So might be you don't know what is this. You will get to know. Don't worry. Save this. Now you go here. Refresh. Did you find anything? No. But you do minimize. What came? 3 lines with what here? Button. This is known as your brand. If you minimize, that button will not be there. Understood my point here now? So like this we are developing. Till now we work with what here? Buttons only. So now what I will do, I will go to the what here? Next one. After this button, sir, after this button, we need to take what? Div class, collapse, Navbar collapse. Here we need to mention the ID. So let me go after the button. Closing of div. And what is my name of my ID? ID is nothing but what here? Navbar ID. So here I am taking collapse, don't visible. Navbar hyphen collapse. This is ID. Inside this, we need to write our links. Links means I am taking what here? I am taking what here? Unordered list. Unordered list is what here? Navbar now. Me hyphen auto. Just I am giving the space. Inside that I am taking what? Now item and now link. So like this I am taking. So let me go to the what here? Div. Yes. So now tell me Arial current is not required. Now you focus here. What I have taken? Home. So let me copy li. Home you want. What do you want next? About. What do you want next? Service. Portfolio. Contact. Portfolio. Contact. Something like that I am taking like this. So see this, refresh. Refresh. And when you do minimize, click. Is it coming? No. Why it's not coming, man? We have given ID now. Sorry guys, I need to give hash. Target I should give what? Hash. Now you do refresh. Minimize. Click. 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 Understood my point here now? So understand how we are doing now. So like this we can work. If you want center, we can take in the center, but I'm just showing you. When you do minimize, it will comes like this. We can keep anywhere, sir. We can keep anywhere. So here I say me and auto. I'm removing this. Refresh. Click. But you do refresh, it's coming here. We can make it something called what here? mx hyphen what here? I can say end of what here? 5. Otherwise, I will say na float. I want to make it which side? Right. Let me check. Refresh. Is it doing any changes? No. So better we can go for what your class float. Not right now. What we should take? End. Refresh. Is it going? So I will do one thing. mx hyphen what here? 5. Let me check 1 second, sir. Refresh. Is it moving or not moving? Moving. X is not okay. Otherwise, we can do for this one only. mx hyphen what here? 5. Refresh. But I want to check when I am doing minimize. It is also moving. Otherwise, I will say what here? Anyhow, that is not important. You just make it what here? Refresh. When you do minimize, it's coming like this. What is coming? Home, about, services, portfolio, like that. If you want to keep this, even we can say what here? Float end. Refresh. Is it going? No. Float is not working for this one. Understood, everyone? So now tell me, it automatically becomes what here? Responsive. Responsive it becomes. Responsive. Sir, suppose if you don't need this white color, if you don't know this, if you don't need this white color, what we can do is nothing but we can replace with white color also. Shall I give white color? So white color means what we can do. Here we have taken Navbar light, background light. This time you need to give what? Navbar dark, background dark. And see the beauty, refresh. And see this, click, click. Yes. Understood my point here? No? So your wish, sir, your wish. If you want to take, you can take like this. And one more thing we can do, sir. Example 3. There is a problem is there here. Problem is there. What's the problem? After this navbar, I will take a lot of H1 tag. This is heading tag. 1 heading tag, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Some tags we have used. And see this, whenever I scroll, what is getting scrolled? Navbar is also going or not going? But I don't want navbar should go. See this, I will go to the quality thought. Here also what is going? Going. But if you go to the CompuMax, I will go to the CompuMax. When I minimize, what is there on the top? Home, about us. So same like that only. So that time what we need to do, you can say, we can write on the top. Top, I can say fixed. Top, I can say what? Fixed. And see the beauty now. Refresh. Okay, this is what we have. Fixed top or top fix? Sorry, guys. I will say what here? Fixed top. I think this is the class. You do refresh. See this. Is it moving or only content moving? content mode. So like this, we can take what here? Fixed top, not top fix. Understood my point here now? So like this, we can take the responsive navbar.